So today we have a very interesting video. I never thought I would have the opportunity to do it, but here it is. We're talking about Winston Thundersky battery cells, the lithium iron phosphate, the very small model, 60 amp hours, wired in series for a 24-volt system, and it has been used at a cabin up in the mountains. When it reached the low voltage disconnect stage, the solar charge controller disconnected the AC loads but never disconnected the DC loads, which were the lights in the cabin. And yesterday at noon, this battery bank, which was supposed to be minimum 24 volts, reached the voltage of 14 volts, which means that each cell had a voltage between 1 and 2 volts. So in order to save these cells, I had to start charging them at very low currents. I have been using the battery testers from ZKE Tech, the EBC 820 and its bigger brother, the EBC A40L, and I have been using a current for each one of the cells, a current of 100 milliamps until I reach the voltage of 2 volts, 200 milliamps until I reach the voltage of 2.5 volts, 300 milliamps until I reach the voltage of 2.9 volts, and 600 milliamps until I reach the voltage of 3 volts. So the charging process has been going on for more than 20 hours now, but I'm getting close to the end. So let's see. Yeah, this cell is reaching 3 volts. The current of 600 milliamps is diminishing now until 150 milliamps. It's the absorption phase. Right now we have about 360 milliamps. And yes, the third charging phase, the one at 300 milliamps between 2.5 and 2.9 volts, lasted longer than all the others, about 3 hours for each one of the cells. But we're getting there. So if you ever find yourself in such a situation where you need to rescue a lithium iron phosphate cell that was very much discharged, you have to use these very low currents, about 600 times less than 1C current until you reach the voltage of 2 volts, about 300 times less than 1C current until you reach 2.5 volts, and then 200 times less current than 1C until you reach the 2.9 volts limit, and lastly a current of 100 times less than 1C current until you reach the voltage of 3 volts. But better use whatever it takes, the necessary automation, so that you never find yourself in this situation. So thanks for watching, and stay in touch.